to desilt river Sal and to construct the bank sides of the river. Now if this is done, then most of the flooded area which is affecting in the rainy season will slightly have upper hand, and people will be benefited with this desilting of river Sal. Further, there were grievances that if we construct Western Bypass by filling the earth in the fields, then it will be dangerous to the people who are living aside, and especially in the lower down area of the river Sal. I personally feel government has taken a keen interest to have a good transportation towards all over Goa by making good infrastructure facilities. And here in a particular area of 2.45 and in other constituency which is also a kilometer, they demanded to have a flyover and to construct the same Western Bypass on steels. At this stage, being estimated cost of 280 originally, which has come now around to 400 crores. And if at this moment we consider the request of the people of certain areas in the Western Bypass, the total cost will go to 3 times of the original cost, which is around 800 to 900 crores.
Desilting work kenna dekun jatle mostly.
Now after rains,
After monsoon.
So this rain come kind of
त्याच्यातले लोक करपाक नानून हांवूय गेलो
हॉट मिक्सिंग बी उरला न्ही,
Desilting
बाकीचो जो रोड रेडी जाला ताका हॉट मिक्सिंग बी जातलें.
डिसिल्टिंग करून
देबोकर म्हणटा तेणे हे अंडरस्टँड जाल म्हण लोकांक गेले फिलिंग्स, कित्याक आमी सगळ्याक मागीर रावपाचे. हाल्यां तरी तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा तरी कोण गेलो आनी आमगे तरी लोक मरण लावला. आनी हांव जाणा कॅपेसिटी सुद्दां ते कॅपेसिटी आहा स्टील हें करपाक आनी ती जातली, पण मातशें टायम येतलो. सो हांव चड उपकारी